Well, firstly, it's obviously wonderful to be back in Pakistan after such a long time. Thought it was a very, very even contest. The Test series obviously ending in 2 draws. A little bit of excitement in the second one, and then a very evenly fought one-day series, which I thought going into the decider and the position Pakistan got themselves in, thought they batted really well first up, and then thought they got themselves in a position to win. But then, unfortunately for them, New Zealand had a young man by the name of Glenn Phillips, who I thought came in and changed the match, just played one of those incredible innings which helped New Zealand win, and it was a very close series, 2-1 to New Zealand. So I thought the last match was a brilliant match. Could have gone either way, and fortunately from New Zealand's point of view, it went our way. It's been about 20 years, I think. I was here in 2002 in Karachi when we got sent home. So it's just over 20 years. And as I said, it's wonderful to be back. It's great that cricket's now being played back in Pakistan again. It's great for the locals. They can get out and watch live cricket, and just I'm very happy to be back watching international cricket in Pakistan. No, the security was superb. Had no issues at all, and felt 100% completely safe. Yeah, look, I think Babar's a young captain and still learning his trade. But we know he's a world-class player. He leads from the front, so he leads by example. And I think what will really help his captaincy is when I feel like they get the conditions from a pitch point of view, as I said, suiting their strength, which is their seamers. And if they have that, that will make his job as captain a lot easier. I think he's still dealing with a very young side who are feeling their way. It's a rebuilding stage. And I think it's important that Pakistan show a little bit of consistency and give him a long run in that role, so one that he can grow and develop with his experience. And also, as I said, I think once they get the conditions suited for their strengths, Pakistan cricket is looking in good shape. I think that for me, the English series was a bit unique. I thought England played a very aggressive form of cricket, which has probably not been seen, especially in the longer version of the game. And it probably caught Pakistan a little bit by surprise, because it was not only Pakistan, I think it caught the world by surprise. They played I thought England, as it ended up, played a brilliant, exciting form of cricket, which, as I said, hadn't really been seen at Test cricket before, and I think that probably caught Pakistan on the hop. But the New Zealand series, as I said, was evenly fought, if you look at the Pakistan side, they've got some great up-and-coming young talent. I think Pakistan, for me, feel like they're going through a rebuilding stage. Lots of inexperience, but lots of excitement. There's some great players coming through, and I think the future of Pakistan cricket is looking bright. And you'd like to think that this team will, from the experiences they gained in the England and New Zealand series, will be better for it. And I think Pakistan cricket is looking in a good space, and I think in the next year or two there'll be some exciting results for Pakistan in the very near future. I always think there's a scope for improvement in every team, especially in the field. I think that's one department that they can really improve. There's some players that at times show some brilliance, but I think generally as a whole their fielding could certainly improve, and I think that's an area that would make a big difference. It just allows the bowling unit to be able to put pressure on the opposition batting side. I think quite often there's a few too many easy runs, which releases all the pressure that the bowlers have put on. They've got some wonderful up-and-coming spinners, and Pakistan has always had brilliant pace attack. The one concern for me, especially when Pakistan is playing at home, that the wickets that they tend to play international cricket in don't play to their strengths, and their strength is their seamers. And the wickets they produce are sort of quite low and slow, and if anything, suit the spinners. There's the PSL and a few other tournaments, and I think Pakistan go to Sri Lanka as well. So I think because of that extra cricket, that this Pakistan side will have gained some more experience, will be a bit more consolidated, and I think that series will be brilliant.